afternoon, friends. Friends, in this chapter, adsorption, we have already studied the number of terms related to adsorbate, adsorbent, then adsorption isotherm, in which the first adsorption isotherm we studied, that is the Freundlich adsorption isotherm, and second is Langmuir adsorption isotherm. So friends, it's very important to understand what is the adsorption, what is the criteria of adsorption, as well as how many type of the adsorption. In our previous video, I has already explained in that there is a two type of the adsorption. First is chemical adsorption, another one is physical adsorption. Chemical adsorption is completely based on the chemical bonding between the adsorbate material and surface of the adsorbent molecule. And in physical adsorption, there will be happen that there is a van der Waals force of attraction is present between the adsorbate and adsorbent molecule, and therefore the physical adsorption is generally called as a reversible adsorption. Of course, the physical adsorption required very less energy as compared to the chemical adsorption. Friends, the adsorption process can play very important role. In our next video, we will be discuss about the application of the adsorption. But this process can passes through the number of criteria and characteristics property regarding to the adsorbent molecule as well as adsorbate molecule. So friends, today is our topic that the adsorption of gases, adsorption of gases, adsorption of gases by adsorbent materials. Okay, this is the heading of today's topic, or it's also known as factor affecting the adsorption process. Factor affecting the adsorption process. Friends, this topic is completely based on the theory, but the concept is very important to understand, and also some of the term will be asked in your examination for 1 marks answer. So let's we start the factor affecting the adsorption process. The first factor is nature of adsorbent. Nature of adsorbent. Very simple example we will be consider here. The hydrogen gas is adsorbed on the platinum. The hydrogen gas is adsorbed on the platinum. This is the general example. Means what? What is the nature of the platinum which play very important role in the adsorption phenomenon. Therefore, the silica, activated charcoal are generally used because the material which provide the large surface area, the extensive adsorption will be take place on the particular surface. Then suppose silica and charcoal is particular use in adsorption process in the organic synthesis or in organic chemistry. Therefore what happens, the silica and charcoal having a porous nature, and the porous nature provide the large surface area and adsorption processes increases. And if we want to increase the adsorption process more and more, we want to activate the adsorbent material surface. Activate. Then friends, what is the meaning of activate? It's very important, you should be remember this. Activate means what? Suppose we want to use the activated charcoal. We want to use the activated charcoal. We take the charcoal, animal or wood, whatever, and that charcoal is heated up to 350 degree to 1000 degree centigrade temperature. 350 degree to 1000 degree centigrade temperature. Okay, and this temperature At this temperature, the activated charcoal can active more. Why? Because the hydrocarbon impurity is burned out, removed at a particular temperature, and therefore the surface area is available more for the absorption of the gases, and therefore the activation process is most important process to increase the characteristic property of absorption of the adsorbent material. Okay, and therefore the nature of adsorbent is very important to decide the adsorption process will be increase or decrease. Friends, the next point is nature of gas. Nature of gas. Number of time in organic chemistry we will be discuss about the reduction process, reduction of ethene, reduction of propene, reduction of butene and so on. The double bond are unsaturated and we want to convert double bond into the single bond, and for that process we will be use the reduction. What is the meaning of reduction? The hydrogen gas we will be involve or react with the unsaturated compound and it will convert into the single bond. Okay, then what will be happen actually? The nature of gas means in reduction process we will use the hydrogen gas. In some cases we will use the chlorine gas, in some cases we will be use the nitrogen gas. Then what is the criteria of nature of adsorbent or nature of gas? Generally gas is used as the adsorbate material. Okay, and if the gas can easily liquefy, easily adsorb, this nature can be decided, this nature or this property can be decided the nature of adsorbate material. So in case of the chlorine, the chlorine can be adsorbed near about 235 centimeter cube at 18 degrees centigrade. And when we talk about the nitrogen gas, now look toward this. The chlorine gas can adsorb 235 centimeter cube on 1 gram of the activated charcoal at 18 degrees centigrade temperature, and nitrogen gas can adsorb 8 cm cube on the same surface, that is a 1 gram. And why it can happen? Due to the nature of chlorine and nitrogen which can easily liquefy. Chlorine possesses the higher critical temperature than the nitrogen, and this criteria is very important to decide the nature of gas molecule. The next property or next nature, next factor that is very important, that one is temperature. Friends, temperature is inversely proportional to the adsorption. Temperature is inversely proportional to the adsorption. This relationship is clearly indicates that when we increase the temperature, the adsorption process will be decreases, because temperature can directly correlate with the liquefaction of the gas, and therefore this phenomenon should be remembered always in our mind, that is that when we increase the temperature, adsorption process will be decreases. The next point is important, that is the pressure. This is the next factor which affect the adsorption process. Then adsorption, pressure is directly proportional to the adsorption, and this phenomenon we has already discussed in Freundlich adsorption isotherm process. The pressure is directly proportional to the adsorption only at certain extent. Only at certain extent. Means what? There is some imbalance will be happen on the surface of the adsorbent material. That time what happen? The adsorbent material cannot be easily balance the adsorbate molecule, and that time the pressure can play very important role, and therefore only at certain limit when monolayer can be formed, the pressure can directly proportional to the adsorption process, but when the monolayer is completely formed and the remaining place is not vacant on the surface of the adsorbent, at that time what happens? Such a type of the graph we will be get. Means no extra adsorption will take place on the surface of adsorbent. The next factor, that is the reversible nature. Reversible nature. This is also a notable point in this topic, reversible nature. What is the meaning of reversible nature? Suppose the factor can be reversed. Reversible nature means what? Suppose if we increase the temperature, the adsorbed gas can be removed. Suppose we decrease the pressure, the adsorbed gas can be removed, or equilibrium are set up between the adsorption process, and such a type of the process is known as the reversible process. And for example, if we increase the pressure, the adsorbate molecule removed from the surface of adsorbent, and this process is known as desorption. This process is known as desorption. Student, you should be understand this point is very important. When the adsorbed material or molecule or gas is removed by such a type of the process is known as desorption, and desorption is come under the head of reversible nature. Now our last point is exothermic nature. Fifth number, exothermic nature. You should be note down, this is also very important. What is the meaning of exothermic? Then you are already known about the relation of temperature and adsorption process. Exothermic means what? The adsorption process is exothermic in nature. Means what? When the adsorbate molecule is adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, that time some heat is liberated, and that heat is known as heat of adsorption. Heat of adsorption. And last point is specific nature. Specific nature. What is the meaning of specific nature? Each and every reaction, each and every process which are take place in the laboratory or take place in the nature, which are specific in nature. Therefore, only certain or some gas molecule are specific for the adsorption, and some gas molecule is not specific for such a type of the adsorption. In your book, there is one example is given, from the mixture of ethylene and coal gas charcoal adsorb only ethylene. Okay. Means what? The mixture of ethylene and coal gas charcoal adsorb only ethylene. This is the nature. Means what? On that material no another gas having a chance to adsorb. So adsorption process is specific in a nature. So friend, hope you understand those are the points. The first point is nature of adsorbent, second point is nature of gas, temperature, pressure, then reversible nature, exothermic nature and specific nature. Those are the points which we are discussed under the head of factor affecting the adsorption process. In our next video, we will be discuss about the application of adsorption. That is very important thing, because when we learn any topic, we should understand the application, and that is useful for our further study and further work. So friends, if you have any difficulty, ask me and be ready for our